Hello, my name is Dana Sarah Bilawa, and today I'm going to be your home business coach, and I'll give you some very good content regarding if you're going to be starting a home business. So if you're one of the millions of people who look to start home business every year, then you need to listen to this. Starting a home business is simple. You just need to choose, you have all the flexibility of working from home. But the important key factor is what is it that you are starting and what is it that you're getting yourself into. I mean, you must be getting so many phone calls, must be getting prospected by so many companies out there, and everyone trying to promote their product and services. And most products and services are fantastic. I mean, each one who's trying to promote a product or service has belief in what they're doing. All the multi-level marketing companies, internet companies, they all have a product and service, and you will often see they are 5% of the people who take on any of these businesses are massively successful, and some are average, and some don't make it at all. And there are many factors that may go into it, but the most important thing is for you, before you start your own home business, to go through a few checklists, and that only starts with you, because you are the one who's starting a business. You need to find out and you need to ask yourself what is important to yourself. What is important? What is it that you look for in a home business? Of course, more money is like number one for most people. Freedom of time so you can hang out with your friends, family, spend more time with your children if you're a parent. These are the normally three points that come to people, when they're starting a home business. But apart from that, what else is that what you're after? Is it profitable? Is it low cost products? Are you supposed to be shipping products? Do you like to ship products, or you like somebody drop ship for you? You like to outsource? You like to do everything yourself? Is it purely online internet based, or is it something that you need to have a lot of stock within your home, like an eBay business or any other business that you may be looking to start? The key factor is to ask yourself, are you passionate about what you're going to be taking? Say for example, if you like travel, so you'll be more likely to succeed if you are promoting a travel service or travel product. If you like anything else that you may be, any hobby of yours, anything that you're passionate about, something to do with sports, music, entertainment, whatever you're passionate, and if you marry up your business with your passion, then you will be more profitable. So that's very important, and that's only something you can identify. You can ask yourself that what are you truly passionate about, and then start looking for the right business. And once you're in your business, you need to find out what is involved, how much money, what kind of investment, can you afford that investment, okay, or what are the ways you can raise capital for your business. And when you're raising capital for the business, always allow 3 or 4 months of marketing. Factor that in, because you may raise the capital and it's sort of fun for the products, but you do need money for your marketing, for your advertising. So all these things you need to be factoring. Your time allocation, how much time will you be realistically spending on the business, on your income generating activities, on going out networking. I mean, with social media, it's a beautiful thing that you can network online and make fantastic contacts on places like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and I mean there are also many social networking sites out there. So it's a great tool where you can leverage your network. But network is very important. So all these things you need to consider before you start a home business. Also, what kind of rebates are you paying? Are you sharing your profits with other people? Is it MLM, or is it purely internet? I mean, all businesses out there, I respect each and every one, what they're doing. But basically, this is something, the answer comes back to you. So it's very important. Go through these checklists, take your time, don't rush into anything, because you don't want to start stop at something. So find your true passion, and then marry up the right business, and I'm sure you'll attract the right business. I've been in home business for since 1996, so I know a lot of ways how you can make your home business a great success. And one of the ways you can is by having the right routine, organizing yourself, being very organized with your time, prioritizing yourself. They are the key factors which will make you successful. And though you don't have a boss sitting at home with you or watching over you, but you are accountable and you're responsible for your own actions, because after all, you're the one who's generating the money, and you're the one who's responsible for the dollars coming into your account. So you need to be very, very accountable and responsible for your own actions. Even if you don't have someone watching over you, you watch over yourself and see how you're committed to your business or whatever you do at home. For those of you who want to find out what I do and how, if I could be of any assistance to you, visit my website. It's www.nextbigmillionairewave.com. Fill your details. There is a free e-course that I'm offering you. The e-course is fantastic. It's to do with it's about 7-day e-course generating wealth, prosperity, success. So sign up there, and I will get in touch with you. And if you feel you need to, if you like the opportunity, I will get in touch with you via email or a phone call, and we can take to the next step. But in the meantime, keep looking for the right business for you. Something that will really help you, not only to generate money, but to develop you as a person, because that's important to how you grow as a person, how you grow as a successful entrepreneur, and that's what I would like for you. So thank you so much, and yours in health, wealth, and happiness. This is Diana Sarabilawa. Goodbye.